It's never too late. The story. In the 1940s, there was a man who, at the age of 65, was living off of $99 Social Security checks in a small house, driving a beat-up car. He decided it was time to make a change, so he thought about what he had to offer that other people may benefit from. His mind went to his fried chicken recipe, which his friends and family loved. He left his home state of Kentucky and traveled throughout the country, trying to sell his recipe to restaurants. He even offered the recipe for free, asking for only a small chunk of the money that was earned. However, most of the restaurants declined his offer. In fact, 1,009 restaurants said no. But even after all of the rejections, he persisted. He believed in himself and his chicken recipe. When he visited restaurant number 1010, he got a yes. His name? Colonel Heartland Sanders. The moral. There are a few lessons that you can take away from this story. First, it's never too late in life to find success. In a society that often celebrates young, successful people, it's easy to start to think you're never going to be successful after a certain age. However, Colonel Sanders is an example that proves that argument wrong. This story also demonstrates the power of persistence. You have to have confidence in yourself and believe in your work for other people to believe it also. Disregard anyone who tells you no and simply move on. Please, like, share and follow for everyday motivation.